Hey guys, got another cool product to show you here. This is a 23-foot cobweb duster cleaner. I've had several cleaners, web cleaners on a pole, and nothing is like this. I love this so far. It's well made, and I've never had one that would go as high as this one, and I'll show you how long it goes in a little bit. So this is great. It extends to 23 feet. It's a cobweb duster. I've done some testing already. I don't know if you can see it right there. There you go. But it's very nice, sturdy. It looks like some kind of hard plastic. It also, I guess it's designed, the tip comes off. I guess there's some window cleaner attachments and some other attachments that it comes with, that it does not come with, but they do have other packages, and I believe there's some other extensions. I just have the cobweb duster, as you can see, very cool. I'm gonna get ready to show you how it works. Favorite one so far. I've had several of these, and none of them has gone as long as this, and not as well made. It's got some cushions here for grips, soft, very well made. Make sure you check this one out. Let's see this thing in action. Look, this thing extends all the way up to 23 feet. And look, here's a prime example. I have cobwebs all in my garage, and this gets them perfectly. And this isn't even that high, but this thing extends all the way up to 23 feet. And I'm getting ready to show you outside. If you have a 3-story building, you can probably still get it. Watch. Show you how long this thing actually will extend. There you are. Let's see. You just extend it. Whoop. You lock it. Keep it going. And it still has more to go. Let's see how far this thing actually will go. And this thing is not flimsy, it's well made. So let's see. Let's see how high I can get this thing. Look, I can get it all the way up top and clean up in the windows here. Let's get cobwebs. See? Clean it. Works perfect. Look how long that thing is. I've never seen one this long.